Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Differentiability of piecewise functions can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's take the continuity and the derivatives at every single boundary point.
First, we check continuity because a function must be continuous to be differentiable. At 0, the left side is 1 while the right side is 0, so it is not continuous. Next, we look at -1. The left derivative of the first piece is 2 times x, which equals -2, matching the constant derivative of the second piece perfectly here. At +1, the derivative from the left is 0 while the right is 1. Since these mismatch, it is not differentiable. Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing, watch signs, trust info, and check steps.